Well, we've all been to a place where we have car issues. Car doesn't work. You can't get from point A to point B and continue on with life. Or I had a flat tire that you had to pay money to get patched or whatever. I'm at the park eating lunch to see this guy struggling. Clearly, let's see if we can give him a hand to get this tire on for him. All right, so I figured I would make a how to change. First, you're gonna find your mounting points, which is going to be in your owner's manual, typically in your glove box, but this little guy has a little spot right here, and you can see it's double welded, so you got a little bit more strength. But before we jack it all the way up, we want to break those lugs. So too close to the curb, unfortunately.
Yeah, it backed up into the curb.
So that's good. Jack tight, place this hook on there, you hold here, this will help you turn it nice and quick. The only thing I hope is that we're just not on too much of an angle.
Yeah,
It's
the manual recommends a stone tire.
That would be that front side.
Yeah.
So if you could find one of those while I do this, that would be great. Is your e-brake on? Okay. Go ahead, crank that. All right. You know, lift it just high enough that you can get your fingers under there. And now, come back over here with this guy. You got air in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it almost sounded like that was kind of flat there.
Yeah, no.
Could you imagine that? You pop this off and then your spares or donut split. Hey, at least it's not raining like it was supposed to, right?
No, small little.
Yeah.
To be grateful for.
Well, you got insurance. It could have been a lot worse, right?
Yeah. I gotta have insurance, but it's probably haven't had a claim in maybe 10 years, but now it will be, every time you have, you're paying all this insurance, but
right.
As soon as you make a claim.
Yeah, then they want to increase the price on it. You got this right in the trunk?
Well, let's see. I think I gotta put. Do I have to put any of the equipment back first?
Or you can if you want to store it back under
Is it
there,
gonna
or
fit
you
in
can
there?
do it later. But
Oh, is that gonna fit in there?
nope, not even. So we'll keep this here for now.
Yeah.
So these are studless. Kind of got to get them nice and lined up. Get one started loosely. And also make sure you're on the right plug pattern, which it's not. So right there. Also, you gotta alternate every other one, so that way you tighten them down nice and even.
Me too.
Otherwise, your tire will be wobbling all over.
Yeah. In to just tighten when you mean
Yeah,
they're
when you
tightening
tighten
up.
them.
Yeah.
Yep. What you got planned for the rest of the day?
Yeah. At this point, I think all bets are off.
Yeah.
I think it might have been a little later working out, maybe just about close, but
Yeah.
now we're gonna go.
So what I did yesterday is went to the course, Enfield Shadow Lake Executive course.
Executive, yeah.
I hit that for the
It
first
was a
time.
90-degree day, so
It was
okay
hot,
to
and I
be out
walked.
there.
I walked the course too.
Yeah.
It was nice at the end, though. 'Cause-
Well, the executive course is the 9th hole, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's nice, and there wasn't really anybody out there. I had a group walking right behind me, so that was nice
Oh,
that they
nice.
weren't all over my ass. You know?
Yeah. Yeah. So,
So-
yeah, were you out there by yourself? Is that,
Yeah, yep. Walked the course by myself. I asked my brother if he wanted to go. I'll have you put those in a safe spot. If
Okay.
you put them in that
Yeah,
bottom thing,
these
they're going to
won't-
be waving all over them.
These don't go back on the bolts?
You wait until you put that tire back on,
Okay.
because otherwise,
Yeah.
I don't want them to fly out on you.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna go. I was out at the Webster Range.
I was thinking about
Tuesday.
going there the other day too.
It's nice because you're hitting off turf, and so it's a little different. And played Monday night. But anyway, as far as today goes, I think
Probably get this addressed and then.
yeah, maybe take a ride out to Volkswagen and
Yeah. I would. Well, do you do all your service at Volkswagen?
I mean, I do it because right now this is a new lease car, so I get
Okay.
10, 30,
So they'll-
10, 20, and 30 for free.
Yep.
So I just had the 10,
Okay.
so I still have.
Well,
so I do my service.
you'll probably
there.
have to buy another tire because this isn't.
Oh yeah,
This is in the sidewall. That's not
Yeah.
repairable.
yeah. Well, that's shot.
So I would
Yeah.
recommend going
Um,
to a dealership. But I asked because my buddy from high school owns a shop right on the corner of University and East Ave. If you wanted to stop in there, he might be able to get you set up with another tire
okay.
and mount it for you. But it's
Yeah.
up to you.
No. What's the name?
It's called Farrell's Garage.
Farrell's.
Farrell's Garage, right on the corner of University and what is Alexander. I said University and East Ave.
Oh,
and
it's
University and Alexander. Yes, sir.
Okay, all the way down. Yeah.
And that you can just shorten that up a little more. And then we give her one more crank. Just like that. Got them back on the road. Paying it forwards. Nothing a little dirty hands and clean money can't fix.